Here is my laptop. I have 8 GB RAM installed on it, but I wanted to upgrade it to 16 GB, so I had to order for another 8 GB RAM from AliExpress. So I'll be showing you the new Kingbank RAM that I bought. That is it. I'm trying to see if the camera can zoom in so that we see the serial number and everything, but still I've not been able to capture the label. And there it is, DDR4 PC4 266 MHz 8 GB, and look at the serial number, ends with 1620. So I'm going to be inputting this RAM into my laptop, and I'm going to remove the one that came with the laptop. So sit back, watch me remove the RAM and replace it with this one. You can see that the laptop is working currently, so I should be shutting down now because I want to replace with the RAM that I bought from AliExpress. So it's shut down. Then it's time to get the back cover of the laptop. So that is how I open the laptop. The mechanism used to close this laptop is very tight, so I have to use this ATM card to separate the top from the bottom cover. I'm being careful here not to damage anything within. Okay, so it's time to open the laptop. So I'm going to locate the RAM. And that is it by the left side. And that is the RAM that came with the system. Let me try and focus so that we will see the label on that. I'm still trying to focus on the new RAM I got from AliExpress. So the RAM is in place. So that is the cover. So I'm going to press the power button to see if the laptop will come on. And here I am waiting patiently to see what's going to happen. Since 2014, I have been buying things from AliExpress, and I've never had a bad experience. So let's see if this is going to be the first bad experience after several years. And look at the screen. Look at what the RAM is showing me. My laptop refused to boot. I'm going to try again. I'm going to press the power button to put the laptop off, and I'm going to try one more time to see if this first one was a mistake. So I'm pressing the power on and off button. I want to off the laptop now. So the laptop is off. So I'm going to press the power button once again to put on the laptop. And this time it looks as if the laptop is about to boot. Let's watch and see what's going to happen. And there it is. The laptop refused to boot for the second time. So initially I had this RAM and the other one, both of them on the board. The laptop will work for like 20 minutes and everything is going to freeze. And at that moment, the speed of the fan is going to increase. So I had to format my hard disk, thinking it was my hard drive. But at the end of the day, it kept happening. So I had to get rid of the new RAM I bought from AliExpress. Then I started using the laptop and the problem stopped. So now I had to test the RAM one after the other. That was when I discovered that this RAM I bought from AliExpress was the issue. So I'm going to show this to the seller and see what the seller is going to do about this. And whatever happens, I'm going to keep you guys updated. If they're going to refund my money, I don't know, but I'll keep you posted. So this is the main RAM that came with the system. I'm going to put it back and boot the PC. And that is the Kingbank placed aside. So I'm going to cover this and try to boot the system. So that is me pressing the power button, and the system is about to boot. Now I have the main RAM that was shipped with the system installed. Let's see if it's going to boot or not. And here is the one I got from AliExpress. I'm trying to focus. I think I'm in a poor light area. And the system is still booting, no error yet. So this is a good sign that the system is going to boot. I think we're about to go into boot into Windows, and that is the desktop. So with this simple illustration, it shows that this RAM is bad. So I'm going to see what happens to the supplier. I'm going to send this video to them and see what they're going to reply, and whether good or bad, I can take whatever I get from the seller on AliExpress. So that is the RAM again. So see you when I have contacted the seller.